My name is Scott. I just finished building this bench out of white oak. It's a small, sleek design to go at the end of a bed. I did waterfall mitered corners to give it that good continuous grain look. I made a few mistakes. I should have filmed more of it, but I made a video. Check it out. So to start this bench, I got some white oak and ripped it into 3 even strips. The glue up was a little weird. The center piece was a little bowed. Added all these dominoes and I knew it wouldn't have a problem. It ended up working out well in the middle anyways with the grain. Got my brother to help me do the glue up. Came over, had a beer, had some fun. Something satisfying about scraping the glue off after about 20 minutes. It gets a little crusty on the outside. I recently got this long track for the track saw, so I was excited to use it and happy it worked out so well. To set up for these 90-degree corners, you cut the top at 90 and then cut the bevel at 45 underneath, right on the edge. You can see how I set it up. The track saw right on the edge of the first cut. This piece I cut off is saved to use for the clamps on the glue up. This is Rubio Monocoat Pure that I used here. It's definitely a product I'll use more of. Nice and easy to put on and ends up with a nice looking finish. Here it is all done before I delivered it. I was pretty happy with the way it looked. It's a little skinny, maybe could have been had a bit more girth, but good. Here it is in its final resting spot.